This video was brought to you by ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. Are you looking to green your operations, add value to customer relationships, and set your organization apart as an innovative environmental steward and leader in the green movement? If you're committed to providing environmentally preferable solutions and want to validate your dedication to protecting the health and safety of building occupants, look no further than the ISSA Cleaning Industry Management Standard and its Green Building Criteria and Designation, CIMS GB. CIMS and CIMS GB comprise a management framework focused on the universal principles of a successful cleaning operation: quality systems, service delivery, human resources, health, safety, and environmental stewardship, management commitment, and now, green building. With the addition of the green building criteria, cleaning organizations, facility managers, and building owners can demonstrate their commitment to effective management, quality, and sustainability by relying on the principles of CIMS and CIMS GB.
We found that the CIMS GB program really is in complete alignment with our organization and the things that we're looking to do to differentiate ourselves from our competition.
Our customers are now more aware of this certification. Many of them have come forward to us in a congratulatory sort of way to say that they appreciate us going through the extra effort to increase the professionalism of our organization, and that helps us in the long term with customer relationships as well as employee retention.
CIMS GB certified companies deliver unparalleled value to building owners and facility managers looking to certify their buildings to the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED EBOM rating system. The green cleaning procedures and products specified in CIMS GB were developed not only to complement but to exceed LEED requirements, enabling CIMS GB certified organizations to help achieve LEED EBOM credits and stay ahead of the green cleaning curve.
We clean a number of large commercial buildings, office buildings that have obtained LEED certification at various levels. And having gone through the CIMS GB process has really made us an asset to those firms as they've gone through the LEED certification process.
The CIMS GB process, what it actually ensures is that, that there are actually processes and systems in place, that the organization truly is committed to an improved indoor environment and a healthier workplace.
CIMS GB certified organizations provide peace of mind to building owners and facility managers. Not only can certified organizations help building owners and managers secure LEED points, they are positioned to provide quality, sustainable cleaning service that is conducive to the health of the building occupants and leads to increased productivity. What do facility managers say about CIMS and CIMS GB?
From my perspective, CIMS certification allows a janitorial company to stand out from the competition, and requiring certification is a no-brainer. Further, with the growing trend in green and sustainable buildings and processes, CIMS GB certification ensures that the janitorial company understands and practices sustainable initiatives. CIMS GB was a huge part of our LEED certification process, and without our contractor being certified, the process would have been much harder and not as successful. Vinny Del Borello, Chief Engineer of Ryan Companies and President of IFMA, South Florida Chapter.
If you do what CIMS requires, you're going to have a better business, you're going to have higher customer retention, you're going to be able to deliver service at lower cost, and probably most importantly, you're going to find a consistency of operation that really makes running your business a pleasure.
To begin the journey to CIMS and CIMS GB certification, visit ISSA.com/CIMS.